If you need to remove a payment method from your Uber Eats account, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the app and manage your payment options effectively. Step 1. Open the Uber Eats app. Launch the Uber Eats app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your payment settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the profile icon or the account option located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Payment or Payment Methods option. Tap on it to view all the payment methods linked to your account. Step 4. Choose the payment method to remove. Find the payment method you wish to remove. Tap on it to open the details, where you will see options related to that payment method. Step 5. Remove the payment method. Look for the Remove or Delete option and tap on it. Confirm your choice when prompted to successfully remove the payment method from your account. Once you have completed these steps, the selected payment method will be removed from your Uber Eats account. If you have any issues, consider checking the help section in the app for further assistance.